Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this Power BI video, we will learn multiple ifelse function. We will use if statement within an if statement. To do that, click on the new column icon. I will name my column as multiple if statement X. Press Alt key plus Enter key to enter a new line. Let's write the formula equal to if sales greater than 5. Then return the value as good sales. If this condition is false, then check if the name of the product is left out. If the second condition is true, then return value as good sales. If false, then return poor sales. We have now created a new column based on the conditions we entered using the toIf DAX statement. You can use multiple if statements, but if we want to